Hello, I'm Heidi Boghosian, Executive Director of the National Lawyers Guild. The National Lawyers Guild for 75 years has been representing individuals targeted by both the government and corporations for their activism. We call on Loretta Preska, Chief Judge of the U.S. District Court of Manhattan, to immediately recuse herself in the case of Jeremy Hammond. As you know, the email address and password of Judge Preska's husband, Thomas Cavalier, were among the pieces of data released in the crime for which Hammond stands accused. Hacking the private security firm Statford and releasing internal emails and personal information on Statford's clients. Cavalier uses the affected email address for business at the law firm Cahill, Gordon & Rindell, where he is a partner and where Judge Preska once worked. In addition to Cavalier's personal information, private emails of major corporate clients to his law firm, including Merrill Lynch, were also disclosed in the hack. As any first-year law student knows, a judge must withdraw from hearing any case in which his or her impartiality might reasonably be questioned. The New York canons of judicial conduct are clear. Judges must avoid not only impropriety, but also the appearance of impropriety. The test for the appearance of impropriety is whether a judge's conduct would create in reasonable minds, in this case, those of New Yorkers, a perception that the judge's ability to carry out judicial responsibilities with integrity, impartiality, and competence is impaired. No reasonable person would say that a judge whose husband was the victim of the crime she is presiding over could do so with integrity or impartiality, much less competence. If Judge Preska stays on this case, it goes against everything she is sworn to do as Chief Judge, and it denigrates the very integrity of this court.
Jeremy Hammond is an alleged source for WikiLeaks with some of the most valuable documents out there on the internet. 5 million Statford emails. I'm here because I support truth tellers.
I feel that they need a fall guy for the whole thing, and they wanted to set a precedent with this, so they're pushing forward really hard.
This was a huge FBI sting operation with an informant